solutions. We don't just study climate, we act on it. Core to our climate change solution is reducing greenhouse gas emissions, which must get to zero as soon as possible, because both forests and oceans will vitally important roles in regulating our climate. Increasing the natural ability of forests and oceans to absorb carbon dioxide can also help stop global warming. Keep fossil fuels in the ground. Fossil fuels include coal, oil, and gas, and the more than exhausting and burning. The worst climate change will get. All countries need to move their economy away from fossil fuels as soon as possible. Switch to sustainable transport. Petrol and diesel vehicles, plants, and ships use fossil fuels. Reducing car use, switching the electric vehicles, and minimizing plane travel will not only help stop climate change, it will reduce air pollution too. Improve farming and encourage vegan diets. One of the best ways for individuals to help stop climate change is by reducing their meat and dairy consumption, or by going fully vegan. Business and food routines can improve farming practice and provide more plant-based products to help people make the shift. Protect forests like Amazon. Forests are crucial in the fight against climate change, and protecting them is an important climate solution. Cutting down forests on an industrial scale through destroying trees, which could be soaking up huge amounts of carbon. Chain companies destroy forests to make away from animals farming, soya or palm oil plantation. Governments can stop them by making better laws. Protect the oceans. Oceans also absorb large amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, which helps to keep climate stable. But many are overfished, used for oil, gas, drilling, or threatened to by deep sea mining. Protecting oceans and the life in them is ultimately a way to protect ourselves from climate change. Reduce how much people consume. Transport, fashion, food, and other lifestyle choices have different impact on the climate. This is often by design, fashion, and technology companies. For example, we realize far more products than are realistic needed, but while reducing consumption of these products might be hard, it's more certainly worth it. Reducing overall consumption is more wealthy countries can help with less strain on the planet. Reduces plastic. Plastic is made from oil, and the process of strains, refining and turning oil into plastic or even polyester or clothing is surprisingly carbon intense. It doesn't break down quickly in nature, so a lot of plastic is burned, which contributes to emissions. Demand for plastic is rising too quickly that creating and disposing of plastic will account of 17% of the global carbon budget by 2050. This is the motion we need to stay winning according to the Paris Agreement. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and to feel that climate change is too big to solve, but we already have the answer. Now it is the question of making things happen. To work out of the solution is strong international cooperation between governments and business. Individuals can be also a part by making better choices about where they get their energy, how they travel, and what food they eat. But the best way for anyone to help stop climate change is to take collective action with easy activities, throw trash, take care of the water. We can share this activity to other people, and in this way we can be liable with our acts with the world. Thank you.